Welcome to all of you. Today we are going to know about transitive and intransitive verbs. So let us start. A transitive verb is action that have a direct object to receive that action. The receiver, direct receiver of that action. So it's an action verb with a direct object. Let us understand with some examples. And one important thing is that whenever we want to identify that this is a transitive verb present in the sentence, so we have to ask the two questions in the sentence: what and whom. So let us understand with some examples. First example is I met you. So if I ask the question whom, I will get answer that you. Another sentence, she cooked delicious food. So if I ask the question what she cooked, so I will get the answer a delicious food. So in this way we can understand that whenever we want to identify the transitive verb, we have to just ask two questions in the sentence, two word, what and whom. So let us understand now intransitive verbs. So intransitive verb is actions that doesn't have a direct object to receive that action. So it's an action verb without a direct object. For example, if I say I went Singapore. So if I ask what, then I'm not getting a proper answer. If I say whom, again same thing is there. But if I say where, the answer is Singapore. So in this way we can say that intransitive verbs are the actions that don't have a direct object to receive that action. Now let us understand with some another examples. The doctor cured him. So in this sentence, whom doctor cured? Him. So answer is, this is a transitive verb. Another example, she crossed the street. What she crossed? Answer is street. So this is a transitive verb. Another sentence, I kicked your ball. So what I kicked? Answer is your ball. So in this way we can understand that this is the transitive. And let us understand some another examples of intransitive verbs. Snow fell yesterday. So snow fell yesterday. On whom? Where? What? No, we are not getting all the answers of just two words what I said, what and whom. So this is a intransitive verb. So action that doesn't have a direct object to receive that action are known as the intransitive verbs. And the actions, another sentences of the intransitive verbs are we failed. So what? Whom? We are not getting answer. She is sleeping. What? What is the link up of this action? She is sleeping, just an action is here. And if we ask the question what and whom, we are not getting the proper answer. So this is all about the transitive and intransitive verb. I'm just have a quick revision again. So transitive verbs are those verbs which have a direct object to receive that action, and intransitive verbs are those verbs which don't have a direct object to receive that action. So that is all about transitive and intransitive verb. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If it is liked by you, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thanks a lot for watching this video. God bless us all.